In this tutorial video, we will learn how to use the video module in Getshop Today platform. Now click on Add Column and then 12. Click on Add Module and then choose Video. Here you can add any video link from Vimeo or YouTube. Whichever video link you paste here, that video will be displayed on the front end. In this case, I'm using a YouTube video link. Now let's just simply click on Add and then Update. If I go to the front end and refresh, you will see that this video shows within this content. But if we want to have this video appear as spread across the entire page, we should click on Add Full Width section. So let's now delete this module. Next, click on Add Full Width section. Then click on Add Module, and next add a video module. Then just paste the desired video link here and click on Add. Simply update and go to the front end and refresh. Then you can see that this video appears as a full screen video. And this is how we use video module in Getshop Today e-commerce platform. Thanks for watching.